Hey!
Hello everyone!
We are officially in Orlando.
Beautiful, beautiful Orlando.
And we are staying at the Sheraton Vistana in Lake Buena Vista. Apparently there's more than one, so we had to let you know which one it is. We're going to show you our room.
So follow us.
Come on in.
Get on in. Woohoo! Alright. It's freezing in here, it's awesome.
So, first things first, got a closet with a nice full washer and dryer in here. An ironing board, iron, full broom, you know, the essentials. I think I broke it already.
No, it's still on.
We're good, alright. So this is the kitchen, but we'll get to it in a minute. On your left.
There's a mirror.
Wow.
Some art.
This is the first room here. It's a 2-bedroom suite. So if you come in, like, you got 2 full beds here, full drawers there. You got more drawers over here. Nice, good space. Closet. Good, good. Oh. I think my sunglasses off.
It's alright, we're just gonna slowly break the place.
And right off of the bedroom, you have the first bathroom. 1 sink.
Not so bad.
Not so bad, but lots of counter space, big mirror, so you can see everything. The light's pretty good in here, so you can do your makeup and hair, all that stuff. And then you got a separate room that has the shower, tub, toilet, you know, nice.
Get in here so you guys can see the shower.
Pretty good. You know, all that stuff. And it also has its own little closet. There's lots of closets in here.
We have a lot of space, a vacuum.
Oh wow, utilities.
That's fancy.
And a vacuum, that's good.
Yep.
I think these are intended to be like, you can purchase villas and stay here for a long amount of time or whatever. So, kitchen. Let's see if we can figure out the lights.
Nope.
Not that one. Not that one, that must be the fan.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll go through. No big deal. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, let's try these.
We have more lights.
Okay.
Hey, we got a light. That's good. Okay.
Okay.
We got it.
Over here.
So here's the kitchen.
Plugs. Nice little like breakfast bar here with some stools. Comfy. Let's try it actually. Not bad.
The test. Nice.
Nice. Good height.
So you got, you know, nice little counter space for everyone. For all the good stuff.
Cupboards.
Coffee maker, the essentials.
You got glasses. Let's see what else. Oh, plates and
Plates, bowls,
mugs
and nonsense.
Stuff. Ooh,
I got the empty one. No, we got a toaster.
Oh, it's for salad? For all your salad needs?
Check all that out.
But look, ready?
Hold on.
The coffee is Starbucks. That's pretty good. Little Tazo tea. Not bad. Salt and pepper.
Microwave, stove.
You know, a dishwasher. Lots of dishwasher detergent. Apparently you're doing a lot of dishes here.
Electric stove.
What else? What else? Oh, a blender! You make some tasty margs. Yeah.
Or because we're from Rhode Island, some coffee cabinets. That's just a milkshake. Oh, some Sylvie. We got a bottle opener. Bottle openers. Corkscrew.
So good. Okay. Well, cool kitchen. Pretty stock.
Dining room.
Dining area.
Big old mirror.
Nice couch. Oh. Oh, nice.
Just lounging.
Oh. Ooh, a skylight. You can look at the sky. Intruders!
We have intruders. They come with the room.
Yeah, we do. Welcome.
If we can figure this out.
Please use the tab. Oh. There you go.
Solid.
Oh, there's a nice screen.
Oh, the
too.
porch
That's
is
awesome.
screened in.
That's like a little lake.
Let's give you guys a nice view.
Okay, not bad. A few chairs.
Alright, not so bad.
Coffee.
Let's head back into the living room.
There we go. We got them.
We're in. Now we're gonna go into the master.
Is this the master?
This is the master.
It also has another entrance to the porch. The deck.
There you go.
It's a nice,
Again with the continuing views.
I think. Queen?
King.
Queen?
He's a nice king guy. There's
Got a desk.
some wall guy.
Gonna work. There's something. A tub. Wow. Oh, you're getting to it. A tub.
Look at those jets.
Not bad. Looks pretty clean, so that's good. Another closet. There's a safe. Extra blankets.
Got it all.
Again, oh wait, there's 2 sinks in this one, but one sink's in with the toilet and everything, and another one's out here. Let's see what they have.
Hair dryer.
Hair dryer. Good, because I didn't bring mine. Alright, here. Just some drawer space. Lots of underneath the sink space. Another great mirror.
Crazy mirrors.
And this one's just a shower.
The walk-in.
Yeah, pretty standard. Little toilet, but good amount of space. Smells good. Very clean.
Not so bad.
Yeah.
So there we have it.
We will let you know after we've stayed here for a couple nights how comfy it is and if we like it.
And we'll update you guys when we're in the parks.
Hi.